Hi there, in this module you'll learn how to focus your task in order to boost your productivity. In the fast-paced world we live in today, we're constantly on the go and multitasking has become second nature. Catching up with your work emails while you're driving, having lunch and preparing for that meeting. Yes, we're able to do 2 or 3 things at once, but what's impossible is giving your full concentration to the multiple tasks all at once. Psychologists suggest that having fewer priorities and focusing on one task at a time leads to enhanced productivity. The brain struggles to transition from one task to another simultaneously. This brain phenomenon is known as switching cost. Therefore, the only solution for you is to focus. You need to make it a point to follow your cause until you're done. Here are 5 tips for you to stay focused and concentrated on the task at hand. 1. Stop multitasking, as multitasking is a myth. 2. Schedule your day, plan ahead. 3. Use the Pomodoro Technique. 4. Eat healthy to retain your focus. 5. Meditate. 1. Stop multitasking, as multitasking is a myth. This is the first thing you need to sort out if you want to finish what you started. Instead of rapidly switching between activities, commit to a single task at hand, focus on it until the end. Doing more things at a time doesn't garner faster or better results. However, giving your undivided attention to one thing as best as you can produces greater results. Many people mistake productivity as getting a boatload of things done at a time. That's false. Why? Because productivity is the measure of getting things done consistently. 2. Schedule your day. Plan ahead. Here are the 2 easy methods you can adopt in order to schedule your day and plan ahead. 1. Have a planner to amplify your productivity. Let's face it, we can be caught up with things that need to be done, and sometimes we forget what needs to be prioritized. Therefore, having a daily planner will work wonders for you. Make sure you use the monthly view for important dates such as birthdays, public holidays, or special occasions. Use the weekly planning sections for more general tasks, such as visiting your grandparents by the end of the week or mowing the lawn. Meanwhile, for daily planning sections, you jot down specifically what you want to accomplish or what needs to be done for each day. This can be like preparing for a meeting, going out with a friend, or going to the gym. 2. The Ivy Lee Method. The Ivy Lee Method comprises of 5 simple steps. 1. At the end of each working day, list down the 6 tasks you want to accomplish tomorrow. Don't exceed 6 tasks. 2. Prioritize these 6 tasks according to their importance. 3. When you start work the next day, place your focus solely on the first task on your list. Complete the first task before you move on to the next one. 4. Approach the rest of the task in the same fashion. Remember to only move on to the next task only when the previous task is completed. 5. Repeat this process every working day. 3. Use the Pomodoro Technique. This method is fairly simple. When you need to complete a large or multiple tasks, you break down the task into short time intervals. The most effective duration would be focusing on your task for a solid 25 minutes and taking a short break of 5 minutes. Then the cycle repeats. Using the Pomodoro Technique can help you charge through distractions, and it'll help you focus to get things done in short intervals of time. It's an effective way to train your brain to pay full attention to the work you need to complete. This technique also enables you to take necessary breaks so you don't get burnt out or overwhelmed with the task at hand. 4. Eat healthy to retain your focus. One of the most important elements we take for granted is our eating habits. This contributes significantly to how our brain functions, which affects our attention span or focus. Therefore, researchers suggest a low glycemic diet. What does a low glycemic diet consist of? Well, first, non-starchy vegetables, leafy greens such as spinach, salads, broccoli, and green beans. 2. Nuts and seeds. Chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and walnuts. 3. Beans and legumes. Soya beans or red beans. You should have this in small portions, about a half a cup per serving. 4. Yogurt and other fermented dairy. Greek or unsweetened yogurt, raw whole milk, traditionally made cheese. 5. Whole grains, oats, brown rice, wild rice, granola, and muesli. 6. Fresh fruits, stone fruits, blueberries, cherries, and citrus fruits. 7. Healthy fats like virgin coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocado. 8. Lean proteins, salmon, turkey, skinless chicken breast, lamb, and beef. 5. Meditate. Meditation does not only serve as a spiritual purpose, but research has also proven that meditation can boost your attention span as well as keeping you focused on the task at hand. You don't have to go meditate at a monastery or on top of a mountain. All you need to do is invest at least 5 to 20 minutes of your time per day. Close your eyes and inhale deeply, preferably at a quiet place so you're free from distractions. Think of nothing. You'll see how your focus and attention span improves just after 4 days. Try and practice meditation first thing in the morning before you start your tasks.